Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, Always Eliza. And I'm just gonna do a quick video, like some kind of introduction to um, the video that I'm gonna show you after this in the next video. So this is Ken's birthday celebration. As you all know, I'm a member of I'm an admin of the US West Coast 18, and we have this collaboration with 18 Sambusur. This is where Philip's area is, or where he lives, I believe. So we have this collab with them, and with the help of the teachers, the daycare center there, and the military, they helped us to make this possible. I was so happy that the kids had a great time. The kids enjoyed themselves and enjoyed the food. Sabi ko nga sa kanila, ang gandang simula nito para sa group namin ng US West Coast 18 to help out sa mga to have this kind of outreach program. Sabi ko nga, more to come, kasi nakita ko yung mukha ng mga bata, talagang ang sasaya nila. And also, we're doing this for Philip, which is one of the SB19 members. I want him to feel na very special siya, kaya we helped out yung area na kung saan siya lumaki. So one thing too that really touched us the most is that yung family niya, which is yung tito niya, was able to come there in that event, and that we were also grateful and gracious enough na pumayag siya na pumunta dun sa event na yon. And I'm also very thankful na Philip knows about the outreach program that we did for him. Like I said, we're all doing this for SB19, our Mahalima, and also it's also for a good cause, dahil ang sarap ng feeling na nakikita mong masaya yung mga bata talaga. Kaya sabi ko, more to come. So this is like a video of yung pagpunta nila doon sa event, yung mga nangyari on that day. Okay, so sa next video makikita nyo. Okay, hopefully watch it. Bye, thank you.